Chemical Oscillation Reactions Lab, preparation of solution 1, 0.2 molar potassium iodate and 0.08 molar sulfuric acid. First, place a weighing cup on the balance and then zero, or tare, the balance. Open the balance door and transfer the required amount of potassium iodate to the weighing cup. Close the balance door for the final weight. Once the final weight has been recorded, remove the weighing cup from the balance, and then transfer the potassium iodate to a 100 milliliter beaker. Measure the required volume of sulfuric acid using a graduated cylinder. Swirl to mix and then place the beaker on a hot plate. Set the heat to 3 to 4 and warm the solution and stir occasionally to dissolve. This should take about 10 minutes. Remove the beaker from the hot plate and place the hot beaker on an insulating pad. Cool the beaker for 10 to 15 minutes. Be sure to turn off the hot plate. Transfer the solution from the beaker to a 50 milliliter plastic volumetric flask. Rinse the beaker with a few milliliters of deionized water and transfer the rinse water to the flask. We do this to ensure that all of the solute is transferred from the beaker into the flask. Rinse the beaker a second time with deionized water and transfer that rinse water to the flask. Finally, rinse the beaker a third time with deionized water and transfer to the flask. Note the calibration mark on the neck of the flask. Add deionized water until the meniscus reaches the calibration mark. Make sure the bottom of the meniscus is touching the calibration mark. There's the meniscus at the calibration mark. Now we'll seal the top of the flask with parafilm and invert the flask several times to mix.